Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your GoHighLevel free trial subscription. If you've been testing out the platform and decided it's not the right fit for your business, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the complete cancellation process. First, open your web browser and navigate to GoHighLevel.com. Sign in to your GoHighLevel agency account using your credentials if you're not already logged in. This ensures you have access to all the administrative features you'll need to manage your subscription. Once you're signed in, confirm that you're viewing your account in Agency View. You can check this by looking at the top navigation or profile area of your dashboard. If you're not in Agency View, switch to it now, as this is where all your billing and subscription settings are located. Next, look at the bottom of your left menu and click on Settings. This opens up your account configuration options. From there, click on Billing to access your billing dashboard. Here, you'll see all your payment information and subscription details. Look for a link that says Want to modify, cancel your subscription, and click on it. A pop-up window will appear with various options. Click on Show More to expand the menu, then select Cancel Plan to begin the cancellation process. You'll now be asked why you want to cancel. GoHighLevel provides a list of common reasons to choose from. Select the one that best matches your situation and click Next to proceed. At this point, GoHighLevel will present you with a discount offer to encourage you to stay. If you'd like to reconsider and claim the discount code, you can click Join Call to claim. However, if you're committed to canceling, simply click I still want to cancel. Another retention offer will appear, this time offering 15% off for 3 months. Again, if you've changed your mind, you can claim the coupon. If not, click I still want to cancel to move forward. For trial users specifically, GoHighLevel will offer a 14-day extension. If you're still firm with your decision, click I still want to cancel once more. Next, you'll see a prompt highlighting all the features you'll be missing out on. Review these if you'd like, then click I am sure I want to cancel to continue. You'll then be asked to compose a brief 30-word feedback explaining why you're canceling. Type your response and click Submit. Finally, for the last step, you'll need to enter your account password for security verification. After entering your password, click Cancel Subscription one final time. This completes the cancellation process and your GoHighLevel free trial subscription will be terminated. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.